Today, I am reviewing the Vicks Filter-Free Ultrasonic Humidifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At its core, this is a cool mist ultrasonic humidifier with a 1.2-gallon tank. The most immediate benefit of the ultrasonic technology is how quiet the operation is. Unlike evaporative models that rely on loud fans to push air through a saturated wick, this unit uses a vibrating metal diaphragm to break water droplets into a fine mist. The result is a device that is essentially silent, which is exactly what you want when you are trying to sleep. There is no white noise drone, and it is subtle enough that even in a very quiet room, you might forget it is even running. For a nursery or a bedroom, that quietness is a major advantage. The term filter-free is also a key selling point. If you have ever owned a traditional humidifier, you know that the constant need to buy replacement filters is one of the most annoying parts of long-term ownership. Filters get expensive over time, and if you forget to change them, they become a breeding ground for mold and bacteria. By eliminating the filter, Vicks has removed that recurring cost and a primary point of maintenance. You don't have to worry about finding the right model of filter or spending $20 every few months just to keep the machine. However, moving to a filter-free design comes with a trade-off that every buyer needs to be aware of: mineral buildup. Because there is no filter to catch the minerals naturally present in your tap water, those minerals are aerosolized along with the water. If you live in an area with hard water, you will likely see a fine white dust settling on surfaces near the humidifier after a few days of use. This is not harmful in a medical sense, but it can be annoying to clean up. The only real way to combat this, short of using a demineralization cartridge, is to use distilled water. It is a bit of an extra step, but if you want to keep your furniture clean and avoid a layer of dust, using distilled water is the trade-off you accept for not having to buy replacement filters. The design of the tank and the base is meant to be straightforward, with a wide opening that allows you to reach inside for cleaning. This is vital because, regardless of the brand, all humidifiers are susceptible to bacteria growth if they are not cleaned regularly. Because this unit has a tank that is removable from the base, you do have two distinct parts to manage. The manufacturer recommends weekly cleanings with white vinegar to break down any scale or residue that might form on the ultrasonic nebulizer. If you skip this, you will notice a drop in performance, as mineral crust will eventually stop the nebulizer from vibrating effectively, and you will see the mist output dwindle to almost nothing. One of the more unique features here is the integrated slot for Vicks VapoPads. These are small, mentholated pads that you slide into a small compartment on the side of the unit. When the unit is running, the mist passes over the pad and diffuses the scent into the air. If you or your child is dealing with a cold, congestion, or just general sinus irritation, this can provide a nice sense of comfort. It is not a cure-all, but it is a widely appreciated feature for anyone who associates that classic Vicks scent with feeling better. Just keep in mind that the pads are a consumable, so you will need to buy replacements if you use them frequently. As for the control scheme, it is about as simple as it gets. You have a single dial that allows you to vary the intensity of the mist. This is refreshing compared to the many touch-sensitive, glowing, and often finicky control panels on more expensive models. The auto shutoff feature is also present and works reliably. If the water tank runs dry, the machine detects it and cuts power to the nebulizer, so you don't have to worry about leaving it on while you are asleep or away from the house. There are some minor gripes to keep in mind, however. The power light, for example, stays on while the unit is running. If you are sensitive to even small amounts of light while trying to sleep, you might find that you need to cover it with a small piece of tape. Also, while the tank is easy to fill, it is not a top-fill design, which means you have to pick it up and carry it to the sink, flip it over, and unscrew the cap. If you have any mobility issues or struggle with heavy, wet plastic, the weight of a full 1.2-gallon tank might be something to consider. It is not excessively heavy, but it is something that happens daily. In terms of who this is for, it really excels for parents or individuals who need a basic, reliable, and quiet humidifier for a bedroom. It is perfect for people who want to avoid the ongoing cost of replacement filters and who value a simple, manual control system. It is also a good choice if you specifically want the ability to use the VapoPads for congestion relief. On the other hand, you should look elsewhere if you want precision humidity control. This unit does not have a built-in humidistat, meaning it doesn't know what the humidity level in your room actually is. It will just keep pushing out mist until the tank is empty or you turn it off. In a smaller room, this can occasionally lead to dampness or condensation on windows if you run it at the highest setting for too long. If you want a machine that automatically turns on and off to maintain a specific percentage of humidity, this manual model is going to require you to monitor the room's conditions yourself. Is it worth the money? Given the price point and the fact that you aren't tied into a system of buying expensive replacement parts, it is a very sensible investment for most households. It is a utilitarian tool. It is not designed to be a piece of decor or a high-tech gadget. It is meant to be a quiet, effective way to get moisture into the air during the dry winter months or allergy season. As long as you are willing to keep up with the weekly vinegar cleanings and use distilled water if you have hard tap water, it should serve you well for several seasons. The durability of the plastic and the simplicity of the mechanical design suggest it is built to last longer than many of the more advanced electronic alternatives that tend to fail within a year or two. It does exactly what it promises, and for many people, that is the most important quality in a home appliance. You just have to be prepared to handle the maintenance part of the equation, as that is the one thing that will dictate how long the machine keeps working at full strength. Ultimately, it is a proven design that works, provided you respect the need for regular cleaning and water quality management.